come shopping with me at Dollar Tree today. Hi guys, shop with me at Dollar Tree today. Of course, I gotta look at all the Novelty pens because I've recently grown to really love them even more than I already had before. So I'm always on the lookout for like new ones. And I love the checkout aisles because you never know like what you're gonna honestly find here. So wait, what are these? Sticky brawlers. What does that mean? Oh, look at these. These are so cute. Centos. I love Centos. These are highlighters and they're so cool, but I already have a bunch. Wait, a little magic ball? That's cute. But this is currently one of my favorite sections right now. I always have to head off to beauty immediately. So what I basically look for is anything new that I haven't already seen because I am at Dollar Tree several times a week. So like I've already seen this whole collection. I've hauled it. Look, another restock of the Glow Up recipe dupe. Like look at the serums. I already have those, so I don't need to get them today. But yeah, I'm basically looking for any, oh see, look at this. I've never, these are definitely new. So we're gonna get those. And do I have this little soft pink satin lipstick? I think I do. These are back. The Be Pure Hyaluronic Acid body lotions. Are these a dupe to the, is it Dove? I can't remember who they're duping here, but it's somebody. Wow, look at this. I found another jackpot of all the Disney, like the freezers are so loud, but I got so many more. And I definitely have to get this one and this one. I also think I might, $1.50. Oh my God, the prices have changed. Oh my God, I'm so shook. Oh my God. Who do they think they are?
Oh yes, this is a $1 bill, okay? 4 quarters, 100 pennies, 10 dimes, okay? Dollar Tree, come to the front. You have yet again raised your prices. We gotta take the dollar off of here. And this is now a forest, not a tree.
I'm literally in shock right now. This, like, I mean, obviously I heard about it. I heard about the price increase. I just hadn't seen it happen here. And so I was like, oh, well, maybe the price really is like on like maybe different things, not like existing things, if that makes sense. I thought maybe they were bringing in like new stuff that was $1.50. I didn't know they were going to mark up existing things to $1.50. Like, why is all the bath stuff $1.50? What? Okay, the flashcards are safe. They're still $1.25. These are still $1.25, which is good. Look Look what I just found. Now, as much traveling as I've done with Dollar Trees, I have seen these in other states, but where I live, I've never seen them. And now they have to, because it's not everything's $1 anymore. Remember when everything was $1 and it literally said, like, right here, everything's $1? I don't know why, but I was not expecting this today, and it's thrown me completely off my game. But these are actually super adorable. Look how cute they are. Let me turn the camera around. They are so cute. Yeah, cut. What are these, $10 now? All right, despite the trauma that just endured, I have been finding a ton of crazy good things. I'm picking up some of my favorite flashcards I haven't seen in a really long time. Like, what is this? That's crazy. A voice-controlled tabletop light. I mean, it says $1.25. So, yeah, finding a lot of great things. And then look at how cute this card is. I've never seen this card. It's much prettier in person because it has like a bunch of glitter. But I'm gonna junk journal with that one. I mean, I still love Dollar Tree, but I hate to say it, if they truly go any higher than this, it's just not a smart move on their part. I'm sorry, but it's not a smart move. Also, look at these really cute gift bags. Also, can we talk about how I've chilled out on this? I feel like you guys don't really see me haul gift bags like I used to. But when I was, well, I say that and then I see this one that looks like Lisa Frank and I'm obsessed. Oh my God, that one's so Bridgerton. Oh, this one is so freaking, see, why is it covered up? Are these no longer $1.25? Are these like, y'all, I don't know, but yeah. Honestly, I just lost my entire train of thought. Another one of my still very current favorite sections are the books. Like these creeper books, so good, so cute. You can even just like use them for decor for like your Halloween stuff and put them on the table. That would be really cute. But not much of a book selection actually, now that I'm looking through here. Oh my God, not another Victoria Aveyard book, Blade Breaker. I am so excited. She is such a good author. I cannot believe she's at Dollar Tree though. That's actually insane. I can't even get to tell you guys how crazy it is to find her books here at Dollar Tree. Like, run for this, okay? This is top quality stuff. That's probably gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and check out, and I'm gonna be watching that register. I really don't know if I got anything that was actually $1.50, so stay tuned. What? It's beating a little hard.